This is a quick video. I'm going to teach you how to add fractions that have the same denominator. I'll show you all the tricks that are associated with that. So if we have a problem that says add 5 over 16 plus 15 over 16. So step one is notice that the denominators are the same. See how these denominators are exactly the same? Well, that just means that we simply add the numerators and keep the denominators the same. So we just add these two together. So we add these two together and we get 20 over 16 because 15 plus 5 is 20. Now we can write 20 over 16 as a mixed number. So we divide 20 by 16, which is what it's telling us to do right here. So let's do that the traditional way using this method. So 16 into 20, okay? So we're going to use our method here, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat, okay? So how many times does 16 fit into 20? So we're dividing now, okay? 16 fit into 20 only once. Now we multiply 16 times 1 is 16. So we put 16 here. Now we subtract 20 minus 16 is 4. So we have nothing to bring down, so we don't have to repeat. We're basically done. So our answer becomes 1 and 4 over 16. 4 is our remainder, so it becomes 4 over 16. Now we can reduce this fraction because 4 fits into both of these numbers. So we could actually reduce this fraction. We can divide the top and the bottom by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, and then 16 divided by 4 is 4. So we can cross those out. So we're left with 1 and 4. So we could rewrite this as a mixed number that is reduced, which is 1 1/4. So we could put our answer up here, like that. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. Don't worry if you didn't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to videos of mine that I've done that are similar if you need extra help. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, I have links to other videos, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. And there's similar ones to this one. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.